What's up guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today's Friday, so it's gonna be kind of like a weekend in my life slash the beginning of a new week in my life. I'm about to eat some lunch right now. I'm very hungry. I've just been getting some orders ready to go out to the post office. Typical Lindsey afternoon. I do have some food that I'm heating up right now that I feel like is overcooking in the microwave, so let's check on her. Heated up some leftovers that I had in my fridge, just some barbecue chicken from the other night, and then I have like a little corn and carrots side dish. I don't know why I just told you that with my head cut off. So I am about to bike to the post office, and I'm super excited because I got a bike camera mount for my camera, so now I can actually like get a little bit of vlog footage when I'm on my bike, which is another reason that I need to be careful on my bike because I don't want my camera getting injured. So I'll probably take it slow today, but yeah, I'm stoked about that because I kind of just wanted to be able to like actually film when I'm biking but not have to hold the camera, because I'm definitely like not comfortable with that yet. Being like a new rider, I gotta have both of my hands on the handlebars. So I haven't given you guys, I feel like, an outfit of the day in a vlog in such a long time. Maybe because a lot of times when I vlog, I'm just kind of hanging around the house and I don't really like have a full look on, just sweats or something. But I don't know, I kind of like my outfit today. It's casual, but it's cute. We've got one of my absolute favorite jackets ever. So this is a members only jacket, and it was transformed into this, like, if you can see the back, it's like this bubbly water pattern on the back. I bought this at the Melrose Trading Post a couple years back when I lived in LA. If you guys ever go to LA, definitely check out the Melrose Trading Post. It's on Sundays, and you probably heard YouTubers talk about it. YouTubers always go there, but it's honestly like a really good spot to find unique pieces. So this is one of my favorite things I've ever found there. It's really oversized, but it's been one of my favorite pieces for so long, and it's 60 degrees today, so it's like a perfect light jacket and like short sleeve. Under that, I have my Melodrama. The back is actually the cutest part of it. I love this top. I thought that this color went cool with the jacket today for like a little fun, bright pop. And then these pants are the freaking star of my outfit. They don't really look like anything special, but these pants are some black mom jeans from BDG, from Urban Outfitters, and they are so comfortable, and they're just like, I feel like they're the perfect fit on me because they're like a little bit baggy, but then when you sit down, it's not the type of like high-waisted that cuts off all of your like stuff so you can't breathe. So they're like the perfect little high-waisted jeans. They're really, really casual, and I just roll them up at the bottoms, and then I just have on, pretty basic, I just have on some checkered Vans today. These pieces were kind of like more limited edition stuff, so you can't really get these online, but I'll link these jeans in the description box for you guys because these are seriously, oh, I'm obsessed with these. I've been wearing them so much lately, and I know they don't really look that cute on camera, but I feel like they're more of just like a comfy, nice pant. So I'll link these pants and the Vans in the description box for you guys if you're interested. So now I'm gonna take my bike ride, hit up the post office. Let's see how my first time putting my camera on its tripod on my bike goes. Hopefully it will be successful. Frizzy on that bike ride. I just looked back on the clips that I took and not impressed at all. I think it's just my camera, and when I'm on the bike, it's so shaky. It's like the whole time, so I definitely, I don't know why I assumed it would be like smooth, because the camera was definitely held in place perfectly. It's just like when your tires are going over road, and I guess it's gonna be shaky. So I didn't really think about that. So I'm gonna either try to like, I'm definitely gonna try to stabilize the clips, but I wonder how else I can get this to like not be so shaky. It might just be my bike. I'm disappointed with the footage. I just looked back and was like so excited. I'm like, what did I get? Did I get anything good? And other than like when I walked into the post office, because that was obviously when I was not riding a bike, I don't really have much good footage. It's not really like a good ride. And it's about like 5 now. I didn't start the vlog until pretty late today. Sean's getting off work in a little bit, and we're talking about maybe going to get some drinks and appetizers with Sean's mom and his stepdad, but we're not sure yet. So we might do that. We might just chill here. I'll let you know. Okay guys, it's a little bit later now. I am very, very thrilled right now to have finally found, if you guys know me, you know how I feel, and I've always felt about the Cheesecake Factory brown bread, okay? So I found out that in literally, I think it was January, that the Cheesecake Factory brown bread was gonna be in grocery stores, but it was only select grocery stores. So they did not have it in our Albertsons, and I only really go to Albertsons and Trader Joe's, okay? So I've never ever seen it before. Maybe they've had it at our Albertsons for longer, but I'm pretty sure it just got there because Sean found it in a freaking little like section that said the Cheesecake Factory, and it was like by the bakery. Yeah. And I freaking finally found the brown bread in store. I'll report to you guys immediately on how this is. It better taste the exact same as the loaf, which I think it's going to. We're gonna bake this, and we're also making baked potato soup, which is, I've made this recipe once before and it was amazing. So it's been like a chilly fall day, so we're going to make some yummy warm soup. This is a really good recipe. If you do want to follow it, I'll leave what I'm gonna follow in the description box below. I'm not gonna show you guys like a full recipe video because it's honestly pretty basic, but I'll show you when we're like finishing up the end product. But it's definitely not vegan, so it is not even vegetarian friendly unless you don't use the bacon. This is definitely not a healthy recipe, but it's a very comforting, yummy soup, and I love baked potato soup. So we're gonna have baked potato soup and a side of bread. What did you get at the store?
Eggnog.
Already Christmas stuff was out at Albertsons. They had this whole like Christmas section.
They actually have eggnog that has like a witch and a spooky moon on it at Albertsons, but that's not.
I guess it's more of like a fall thing, but that's, yeah, that's definitely Christmas. It's got snowflakes on it.
Comment down below if you like eggnog. I like eggnog. Nobody else in the world does, so I'd like to know if there's another person.
Yeah, I'm sure.
We met
it's either a hit or a miss.
The store that likes
oh yeah, that guy was so funny.
He said, I literally every Christmas sit down with a pint of this eggnog and watch Christmas Story on repeat.
Yeah.
I don't do that, but I do love eggnog.
Out of the carton?
Yeah. That's how you drink eggnog.
Whoa. Okay, really interesting.
Right? It's like,
I feel like it's too heavy that like it's just like, it would give me like stomach problems.
You can't just sit and drink this in a day.
It's very like cinnamony, spicy.
It's so good. It's not spicy, it's sweet.
No, not spicy, it's like sweet, but it has this, I wasn't expecting it to have all of that like spice.
It has coriander and hazelnut.
First time trying eggnog. But we are waiting on the soup. It's in the Instant Pot right now. Not so instant. My Instant Pot takes like, the only thing about it that I don't fuck with is it takes like, I swear, 20 minutes to preheat itself. You put in your ingredients and you're like 10 minutes. And then the Instant Pot takes like 20 more minutes to preheat itself before it even starts at 10 minutes. So it's really not so instant. Other than the fact that I guess it kind of cooks everything quickly. But I'm ready for the soup. I'm gonna change out of these pants before the soup because I want to have just a full sweatpants. We haven't put the toppings on yet. So this is kind of like the base of the soup. We always get it like a little bit thin. I honestly don't think you really have to add milk if you do chicken broth, but the recipe always calls for milk. So we added a little bit, but now I honestly think it's like a little bit too liquidy. It's probably still good for soup. So we're just gonna put it in some bowls. And then over here we have our garnishing station with green onions and then some bacon bits. I don't know about you guys, but she looks pretty iconic and cozy and delicious to me. What's up guys, it's Tuesday now. I didn't vlog this weekend really. I think the last time I vlogged was Friday. So I just really wasn't like doing anything. I had a very chill weekend, so I kind of just wanted to start up again this week. It is a gloomy, cloudy, rainy, stopped raining now, but it's been raining and just such like cozy fall rainy feels today. I just love those days personally, especially when you haven't had rain in a really long time. Like we haven't had rain here pretty much the whole summer, so it's been really nice watching it. Anyway, I'm just enjoying. I am about to sit down and film a get ready with me video, which I'm stoked about. I haven't done one in so long, so I'm kind of like, wait, how do I even film a, not like a makeup video, but I mean I will be doing my makeup, so I guess it's a makeup video, but it's more of just kind of like I want to do the look that you guys were commenting on so much in my questions I've avoided answering video. Like so many of you guys were just complimenting my look, so I'm like, okay, I'll definitely do a get ready with me of this makeup. So I'm about to sit down and film that. All right, I just finished filming that video. I kind of had like a little setup in front of my windows here and just had my makeup and things. So it's kind of messy after filming a video like that. So this is the look that I filmed. It was just like an everyday simple makeup routine look. I don't know why I'm talking like weird, but now I'm just going to probably like have a little bit of lunch and just get some Depop listings up, because I really haven't done that in almost a week, something like that, and I need to get some stuff posted, and I might as well just keep up my work grind while I'm going. So yeah, that's what I'll be up to for the next couple hours. I also made some cute little teensy updates, not necessarily like updates, but I rearranged a couple things in my house yesterday that I wanted to show you guys, or I just think are really cute. So this is my little bar cart, which is just so cute, and I kind of had it in this room, which I've actually added to this room too, so I'll show you guys that in a second. But I had it in the corner over there where that plant is now. But the bar cart was just kind of like shoved away in a corner, and I almost wanted like an entryway here, because I've just had this little bench here for a while, and this used to be at the end of my bed, but it doesn't really fit in my room anymore, and it just takes up too much space. So I kind of had to move it out into the living room. I don't love the gray on this wall basically, but my whole house is this gray color, so what can you do? We'll make it work someday. But I did rearrange like the pillows a little bit, and my main focus was making this look all stinking cute. So I got this bowl at a thrift store the other week, and then I like filled it with, I just got these little guys at Trader Joe's. These are flowers that have lasted 3 weeks from my birthday that my mom gave to me, and they came in this little pumpkin thing, and it is just the cutest thing in the whole world. So I've got that on display. And then of course a Tito's bottle with a little fake flower is decor in my eyes. Some bar cart stuff, some cocktail napkins, and this little bottle opener. And then I have like my little tiny bar set up down here, which is a couple things that I honestly mostly use for decoration and I rarely actually use, like these little liquor bottles. And then I did a little bit of rearranging to this room as well, which you can tell I added some, I had these lights back in that room over there, which I just would never turn on, so I moved the lights into here, and I also rearranged a bunch of stuff in this room. I used to have like this chair and then the other chair on this side, but it was honestly just cutting off like a whole section, and then I had this big plant over here, and it was way too big for this corner. So now I'm not like obsessed with this room now, but I think for the most part I really like this little setup. So I kind of just moved my, what is this plant called? It's called a peace lily. Yeah, this is one of my favorite plants in my house, but it was just buried in this corner over here, and not getting enough love, and I think it looks so much better even though it's still in a corner. It's in a slightly bigger corner. It's by a window, and then I just have like some little crystals and fake plants down here. This is a little rug that I've had for quite some time. It's just from IKEA. I didn't get anything new. I just rearranged stuff that I already had. I just put Squirtle's bed in here for the time being. I think what I'm gonna actually do, since I have my records in here, my record player is like needing surgery right now. It's kind of messed up. Hopefully I won't have to get another one. I think I'll be able to fix it. But I used to use this as my record player table, and then I just made it into like a plants thing. So I think I want to get an actual, for this space instead of Squirtle's bed, I want to get an actual like record player stand and holder, so I don't have to keep mine separately, and it can all just fit in like one little tiny low thing, and then I can play my records in here. And then I also did this little corner, which is cute. I also thrifted, wait, why won't this focus? There we go. I thrifted this the other week. It's supposed to have like a little candle in it, but I don't have any right now. I have a fake orchid and a real cactus. That plant is real. This one's fake. Most of my plants are real. So I did that little corner. Nothing like super special over here. I honestly want to add more like wall art to this room for sure. And then lastly, I just put my snake plant over here, which used to be on top of that in my living room. Yeah, I was feeling a little feng shui mood yesterday. I was feeling like I needed to change things up a little bit in here. Hi guys, so I didn't vlog too much yesterday, I don't think, quite at all, after I was filming. But I just had like a really good, successful, productive work day, and it just wasn't really too vlog worthy. But today what I've been up to is I've been packing because I'm going on a little weekend trip to Denver this weekend. I'm going to see Rez at Red Rocks Amphitheater. I'm so stoked. I haven't been to Denver in a few years, since I went to Base Center, which was, I guess I went in 2016, but I didn't really actually have time to explore Denver because I was just like at the festival the whole weekend. It was camping festival. So I'm stoked to be going back and actually have a little bit of time in the city. I'm getting an Airbnb with my girlfriend Morgan, who is just the shit. I haven't seen her in a little bit over a year. We'd like to do a lot of festivals together and go to some of the same shows together, but she lives in Ohio, and me and her are meeting up, and we're gonna do a little Airbnb and stay there from Friday to Sunday. So it's just kind of a cute little weekend trip. So I'm not positive if I'm gonna vlog this weekend. I might try to film like little clips. I'm so stoked for the show though, and to go back to Red Rocks. I haven't been to Red Rocks since Bass Nectar used to play there in like 2014, 2015. I went both of those years, and then he got like kicked out of the venue because, well, not kicked out, but like the city of Denver or whatever asked him to stop playing there because it was way too loud and the bass was rattling people's houses, which is kind of funny. So he like cannot play there anymore, but used to do shows there every year, so that's kind of funny. But yeah, so it's for the first time going back to Red Rocks. So I've been packing for that, which is actually surprising because I leave on Friday and today's Wednesday, and I wanted to actually get a head start on my packing so I wouldn't have to do it all tomorrow, even though I'm just packing for the weekend. Now I'm about to do some vlog editing of the footage that I have from this vlog so far, so we'll see how much I have. Sorry the vlogs haven't, oh, my computer just went black, so I changed lighting. But sorry the vlogs haven't been like me going out and doing a bunch of stuff. I've honestly, I will admit it, I have been super lazy lately and just really enjoying like my time at my house. I'm just chilling and I don't really have that much to share all the time, but I know I haven't been filming like necessarily going out and doing stuff because I really have been kind of lazy. I haven't been going out and doing a whole bunch of stuff lately. I've been really, what's the word, home, what is the word? I don't know. You know when you're just in your home a bunch? What's the word for that? I don't know, but I'm just talking so much. I always get on here and talk to you guys for like 7 minutes. So like, do they even care? But I know you guys kind of, sometimes you guys say you like when I do that. So I'm gonna stop shaking this camera and go and edit some footage right now. Here we go.
Not cookie cutter, not picture perfect, unexpected, but I'm worth it. Good exposure to this life. If that's what you like, explore your thoughts, stop acting scared. I can see you watching, let me take it there.